Okay, upon delivery you will get your bed end bumpers for the junior bed. It will be labelled up for a low entry or a standard entry. They already come with your Velcro pre-stuck, ready for installation. Once you've unwrapped your packaging, it clearly has a label on, again, bed end bumper for a standard bed end, so you'll know which bed end it's for. Velcro's been taken off, ready for installation. So we raise the bed to a workable height, and on your bed end you get your Velcro, and then we peel the backing off, and we stick this on the metal frame halfway, and then it folds over the edges. Once you order your side rail bumpers, this is the mesh version. It will come with a label saying Lisclare Junior, and then it will tell you clearly what it is. This is a mesh bumpers for a 180 bed. Again, labelled up with the label on the inside. Undo the Velcro, lift the side rails, hook the bottom bumper through the gap, and they simply just push together. This Velcro pull through the gap, this falls over and just connects. Okay, again, label on the inside, so this shows that it's a solid bumper, and all this does is simply wrap over the top and connect together with the Velcro on the bottom. With the extra Velcro on the inside, and that's it. That's all it requires, because that will take your side safety strips. Okay? Yeah.